today we're gonna be making kale chips. It's a healthy snack that you can do at home. It's quick and easy. The ingredients that you're gonna need for this: a bunch of kale, olive oil, salt, and garlic powder. So first, to clean the kale, you're gonna wanna get rid of the stocky woody part. It's not edible. Just take your fingers along this and peel it, just like that. Once you have your kale peeled, you're gonna tear it into little small pieces, about chip size. And once you have your pieces, you're gonna wanna wash it thoroughly and then dry it completely. Once your kale is clean and dried, you're gonna wanna add a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix those all together. Once that's all combined, put it on a cookie sheet. And you're gonna bake it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees.